Alright man, so this is how you make it work on the fly, right? I drive around a lot, but we gotta eat a lot as bodybuilders. So what I did was I got a powered battery. You can see back here, this thing weighs about 50 pounds. You just flip the switch on right there, that gives it power, and then bam, you know, gotta have your bag, right? Get your food right here. Take whatever you need. Gotta have the Cholula sauce too. And then you just pop it in, no matter where you are. Sometimes I pull over on the side of the road. Doesn't matter where I am. I can eat when I need to eat at the right time. Pop it on, and we're golden. We're warming up. Got the forks, got it all. And that's about it, man. This is some of the drastic measures this bodybuilder's got to take. Because as they say, whatever it takes, right? Well, this is one piece of that.
Don't wait for tomorrow. Take action, get going on this stuff, because your time is now.
How you keep motivated, you know, how you keep, you know, pushing in the gym, outside the gym, you know, how you keep dieting. Well, all I can say is this is what I love, so I don't really need to push myself. I just love to go to the gym, love to, you know, be on diet.
If you can't get another rep, get 3 fucking more reps. Push that blood through that muscle and get that pump, and keep on pushing.